Hey everyone! In this video you're going to learn how to make your very own personal sized microwave mug brownie for one. If you have your supplies from the library, go ahead and grab those. I have some kitchen supplies here. My mixing spoons are clean, my mug and my fork are clean, and most importantly, my hands are clean. So let's go ahead and get started. Now we're ready to mix together all of our dry ingredients. If you already picked up your kit from the library, your dry ingredients came pre-mixed in a bag and you'll just need to carefully pour them into the mug. If not, you'll need to measure out 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Once you have everything in the mug, you're ready to start mixing and blending them together. You're going to mix them until everything is nice and smooth. Sometimes cocoa powder and sugar can form lumps when it's stored in its own package or a bag, so this is a good time to go ahead and bust up any of those clumps or lumps so you get a nice smooth texture. So you're going to keep mixing and keep stirring until you get the consistency that looks sort of like a nice brown blended sand. Next is one of my favorite parts. You're going to sprinkle in some of your chocolate chips. Don't mix all of them in yet. Make sure you set some aside for later. Once you get the chocolate chips in, you can go ahead and try to get them mixed nice and evenly throughout the rest of your dry ingredient mixture. Once your dry ingredients have been added to the mug, it's time to add in the wet ingredients. You're going to need to add 3 tablespoons of any variety of milk you want, dairy or non-dairy. I use 2% because that's just what I had in the fridge. You'll need 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once you get those wet ingredients poured in, you can go ahead and start carefully mixing them together. I'm going to mix this mixture by folding it from bottom to top. Mixing brownies like this is important because if you accidentally overmix them or overstir them, they can cook in a way that makes them too chewy and tough to actually eat. So we're going to very carefully keep folding it over until the powdered ingredients disappear into the wet mixture. We're going to keep doing that from bottom to top until we don't see any more of that powder. Once you're happy with that, you're going to grab the rest of your chocolate chips and sprinkle those on top for an extra nice chocolatey layer after it cooks in the microwave. Don't mix in those chocolate chips, leave them on top, and now it's time to put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. I microwaved my brownie mixture for about 90 seconds and it turned out totally perfect. I didn't need any extra time, and now I have this nice melty, cakey style mug brownie. If yours is still a little liquidy, you can microwave it in short bursts, maybe 10 to 15 seconds each, to make sure your brownie cooks all the way through. Once you have a finished brownie, top it with some ice cream or whipped cream and enjoy with your favorite toppings.